What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular auto auction update. Man, we are at one of the cheapest auctions in town, man. I haven't been up here in a while though. It's been freezing and it's been windy every time I come, man. So I've been into the motorcycle thing, but the cars is coming back around. A lot of people is needing cars. Tax time is coming up, man. So we gotta catch a deal somewhere. Let's see what they got in here, man. Let's check it out. All right, man. Looks like they bringing out all the junk cars and junk bikes and stuff, but I guess we'll kick it off right here, man. We got a Yamaha. I don't even see this number on the list, but we got a Yamaha. Not really my thing, but I mean, if you like this bike, it'll be cool for you. Not really my thing, but if you like it, I love it. We got a 01 Aprilia RSV Millie, whatever that is. Must be like a little race bike or something. Got your little carbon fiber pieces up here, which is pretty cool. Might have to check this one out. Looks like the emission is totally whooped. Yes, sir. Got them racing pipes on there. I like this blue back wheel. It's like a navy bluish Italian bike racing. I'm sure that thing is pretty fast. But this one was actually a 07, so yeah, and they got the maps and all that. Like, I'm good. I'm not trying to be doing none of that, man. We got a 2012 Nissan Murano. This thing is whooped. Whooped. 102,000 miles. Now, the reinforcement bar is dented in along with the radiator and the condenser. You may be able to fix it. Honestly, it's not. If the airbags aren't out, yep, airbags is out. It's gonna be a no for me. Even it would have been a no for me even if the airbags wasn't out. I just know this thing is gonna be a freaking grip to fix and just a hassle at that. Like, not even trying to deal with that. Not even trying to deal with it. Neither am I trying to deal with this Kia, because I don't know if y'all peeped it on the other side or not, but this thing is pretty whooped. 83,000 miles. It's a 2013. I don't even want to open the door until I let you see the Bizak. Yeah, that thing is going to be needed. That thing is going to need to be pulled out and some more stuff. That's crazy. They got all like junk cars from what I'm seeing so far. So far, all I'm seeing is like junk cars, y'all. Suspension broke. 2009 Mercedes. Whatever suspension broke means. CLK 350. Oh, it looked like this wheel up here is damaged. They ran up on a curb or something, so this thing is gonna be pretty whooped. I don't really see much of nothing else. Everything up here is pretty whooped, to be honest with y'all. I don't know. They don't got nothing I'm interested in, man. Let's go to the next auction. Here at the next auction, let's see if they got something better, man. Because it look like I'm seeing a whole lot of better cars already. All right, man. They got a bunch of cars here today, but we just gonna stick with the best ones I see. We'll start with this one. We got a 03 Mercedes E500, 148,000 miles on the dash. Say 148 on there, say 166. I guess you can open it, or I guess you can. Yeah, see, you got the leather interior. Oh my God, seats is whoop-de-doo. Yeah, this thing is too high in mileage for me. 154,000 miles on an Audi, I'm good. 197,000 miles on this Impala specifically, I am good. The mileage is too high and it's got no radio. Got an Avalanche. Is this the GTP? Nah, it's not the supercharged. 220,000 miles on an Avalanche. No big deal for this one. This one seems pretty fair. It's got a nice leather interior. Sunroof, leather. Pretty cool little decent truck. Regular get around. Nothing too crazy. The damage seems minimal, if any. You can take a look at the other side real quick. Just see what up. No damn, oh, I need a little door piece there, but other than that, no big deal. We got a 2015 Nissan Versa with 110,000 miles. Where are they? Oh, there they are. Freaking. Y'all know I don't know them military planes names, man, but them things is jets. The heck, when they come back around, we'll try to get a closer look. Some F-13s or something like that. I forget. F-30s, I forget what they call it. But we could take a quick look at the Nissan. Does seem pretty fair interior wise. The back is pretty cool. Everything seems to be intact and in order in here. Nothing that stands out. It does have 110,000 miles. Now you guys know the Nissan CV transmission motors, they usually go bad, so I wouldn't be surprised if this thing has some transmission issues. But then again, I won't be surprised if it turns out to be a pretty good car. What do you guys think though? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 08 Mercedes CLS 550. Got the little AMG wheels on there. Now it's got 161,000 miles on it, squatting super hard. Now y'all know when these cars don't get started in a long time, they like to squat. But this interior is pretty decent compared to all the other Benzes we've seen up here. Just look at the Benz next to it that we looked at before this one. That interior was super whooped. But this one actually looks pretty decent. Low-key Mercedes-Benz. I don't know if the trunk closes or not. I'm sure it does, but I don't want to be the one to break it. So I'm going to just leave it be. But all in all, it seems like a pretty fair Benz if you just want a nice little form. But I'm good. It's probably going to be costing more to repair than it is to actually enjoy it. So you know how it go. We don't want the Salvage Cobalt. We don't want this one with the missing grillage. I don't want this one with the sparkles on it. I don't know if y'all can see them sparkles in there or not. But it does have a rebuilt title as well. Engine oil leak on this one. Little too old for me there. Little too old for me here. Runs making noise. Yeah, we don't want that. We don't want this joint. They got some cool cars in here, but then they got some regular, regular degglers, man. We got a 2000 Toyota Solara, rather. 258,000 miles. Wow. The mileage on this thing is up there. It is up there, but I mean, the body is pretty decent. A Toyota Solara. No damage on the body there. You can take a quick peek at the inside. See leather interior, that beige on beige. This is definitely I guess the top of the line model. You can say has the sunroof up there, but not my flavor. Yeah, I don't want the Cadillac little SUV truck. This says it needs a control harness or something. I don't know. Me don't know, brother. I remember I had one of these trucks. We got a 06 Hyundai Tucson with 126,000 miles. You guys remember I had scored one of these exact trucks at one of these little public auctions before for like 700 bucks. Didn't see this damage right here on the side, so I'm gonna have to pass on this one. The mileage is there, but I think I'm gonna be good because that suspension is probably gonna be bad. Got a little Corolla here, 158,000 miles. Now this one, I guess, runs pretty good, I'm sure, but the mileage is up there. You can take a quick look at the inside. It does seem pretty fair. I guess it smells just like Lysol, like they tried to clean the heck out of this car. I guess they think this is the best car they got here today, and that's fair to say. Yep, and that's fair to say, but I don't know. If you like it, I love it, man. The mileage is up there, but I mean, it's a Toyota, so you may be all right. What y'all think though? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 2010 Dodge Ram. We got a 2010 Dodge Ram here. Looks like 127,000 miles. No body damage so far from what I'm seeing. The chrome is hitting on this front grille. I'm digging that. Take a quick look at the inside, see what's going on. Okay, got leather seats, sunroof, got a little media center or whatever you want to call it. Everything over there seems to be, I guess, fair. Just smells like leather cleaner, but we'll have to see. 2010, this could replace the Raptor, and we can go get an i8. But that's just me, man, thinking out loud. So don't mind me. Would be pretty dope though, man. What y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below, dog. 79,000 miles on Moreno. I think I'm actually good, man. Y'all know when y'all just be good walking through the auction, like, man, I know I ain't gonna buy none of this stuff, dude. But I don't know. I don't know. Guess it is what it is.